Children, we know every day the sun rises and sets. In our India, we can experience sun rising and sun setting. But there is a reason. There is no sunrise and sunset on every day. Some months are continuous sunshine and some months have no sunshine. So the reason is very different from our reason. Today we are going to discuss about that reason. That reason is called polar region. What is that? Polar region. In this polar region, this region doesn't experience the sunshine and sunset on every day. And it has bitterly cold and extremely cold conditions are in this region. So, where is the type of region? You can see where is the polar region. The polar region, this is our Earth. You can see the globe. On the globe, you know the North Pole and the South Pole. These are called the poles. The regions near the poles, the regions near the poles are called polar regions. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the polar region, North Polar region. That North Polar region. And this North Polar region, it has the boundary, it has one boundary line. So this total region is in the inner part of that circle, that line. That line is called Arctic Circle. What is that? Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is the border line, border circle of the polar region, North Polar region. And in south also we have the Arctic Circle. But now in our class we are going to learn about the North Polar region. And here tundra. What is tundra? You can see in our textbook there is a picture showing the northern areas of the continents. Northern areas of the continents shaded with the color. These shaded areas are called the tundras. The northern areas of continents which are located near the poles, near the North Pole. The areas which lies near the North Pole are called the tundra. Tundra means very cold, extreme cold. Today, what type of climate and what type of seasons are there? And the people who are living in that tundra region, how can they live? How can they bear that type of climate? And is there animals or birds in that region? So, let's learn about that. Here in tundras, there are some seasons in tundra. Seasons in tundra. Summer season and winter season. Only two seasons are there, not like our India. And in the winter season, generally we have the winters and the summer seasons, and also we have the monsoon season in our India. But here there are only two seasons, winter and summer. And this winter season is not like our winter season. In the winter season, from the November to December, January. November, December, January. The 3 months, there is no sunshine, there is no sun rising and sun setting. We cannot see the sun during the months of November, December and January. So the weather condition is very extremely cold, bitterly cold. We cannot bear that cold conditions. and some of the birds and animals can migrate from that region, from the polar region to other regions to protect themselves. And here, already I have told, we have the sunshine and sunset, sunrise and sunset in every day. But here, there is no sunshine and no sunset on every day. Generally, almost about 3 months sun shines over the region. This is the summer season, and some of the 3 months, the other remaining period. So it is the winter season. So in the winter, you cannot see the sun. Totally, the region is covered, the dark. Total region is dark and with the extreme cold and icy. All the areas, all the places and the trees, lakes, streams, even seas and oceans, also all the water bodies freezes in this winter season. So the ice is covered on the water bodies and on the soil also, on the surface. So there are no trees in this time. Actually, the topsoil is in frozen condition. It looks like a hard rock. The roots of the plants cannot go through that soil. So this is called permafrost. Due to this permafrost, the trees cannot live, at least with some plants. Only on the top soil, some of the small plants and bushes and lichens, some type of grass will grow on that top soil. Only top soil will have some percentage of the human soil. Due to, with the help of that soil only, the plants will be grown in the summer only, but in the winter, we cannot see any plant. Total, most of the region in frozen condition. So this is about the winter. Next we are going to summer. Summer begins. Sunshine begins slowly. The sunshine begins from the February to March. From the February to March, and the beginning of February and March only, sun shines for 1.5 hour, and gradually the sunshine period increases to 2 hours, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours. Finally, it settles to 24 hours. It means throughout the 24 hours in the day, they will have the sunshine. 24 hours, sun will be there. We have the sun only in the daytime, but in this region, they will have the sun for 24 hours, most of the 3 months, especially in these months will have the sunshine completely, 24 hours sun is there. And here, while the total areas, the total region, most of the region is covered with the snow and ice. Regularly it will have the snowfall, and the snow will be converted into the ice, and the water also will become ice. And when summer begins, of course in the summer also it is cold, but when we compare to the winter season, we have just warm conditions when we compare to the winter season. But totally there is no warm condition here, even though in summer we have the cold conditions in this region also, And due to the somewhat warm temperatures, the ice on the surface of earth and surface of lakes and oceans and seas starts melting. Due to that melting, some lakes will be fulfilled in the water and the steam starts to flow only for some months only. And we can observe the tundra vegetation. Already I said a small type of lichens and small type of plants and grass you can see, and this colorful vegetation is there. This type of colorful vegetation is called tundra vegetation. In tundra vegetation you can see the small plants which have the colorful flowers and colorful fruits, and especially the hairy fruit will be sprout in this region. So this type of vegetation is called tundra vegetation.